loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your favorite Starbucks drinks at home using ingredients you most likely have. So if you're interested, please stay tuned, and while you're at it, like and subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notification bell on because you know your girl is inconsistent AF. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So first I'm going to go in with some instant coffee from Taster's Choice and some boiling hot water. Now you can use a kettle, pot, whatever, just boil the water, y'all. And I'm going to go in with some Monin, I think, caramel syrup. It is sweetened, but I think they have unsweetened choices as well. And some vanilla. And for all my lactose intolerant people, shout out to us, I'm going to go in with some 2% lactate. And this is just my simple cup of coffee every day, real quick, real simple. It takes about 1 minute to make. So here I'm going to be making some iced coffee using the same Taster's Choice. I use 3 packets, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in some boiling hot water. I'm going to top it off with some filtered water because at this point it's dissolved, and mix it up. Now don't judge me, y'all. I ain't have nothing else to mix it, so you know, you got to get in where you fit in. I'm going to pop that in the fridge and allow it to cool. So in this blender bottle, I have caramel and some lactate. And then I have some iced coffee and vanilla in this one. I'm going to go ahead and add some ice in there. And then I'm going to pop this milk on the blender and get that all nice and blended. I don't know how to work this thing, so look, I tried, okay? Just blend it up. And it wasn't as frothy as I wanted it to be, so I just shook it until it looked good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this over my iced coffee, and this gives you, like, you know, little latte vibes. This was so good. So I'm gonna be making a little frappuccino today, using this milk. It's called A2 milk. You can read more of it on Target's website. That's where I got it from. Oh my god. Where I get my milk from, regardless, because a lot of places don't carry lactate or A2 milk. So I go to Target. So I got a cup of ice in here. I got my little Starbucks hazelnut. You can see that. Little Starbucks hazelnut sweetener, and then I also have caramel that I'm using today. So I made an iced coffee yesterday that I didn't finish, and this one has vanilla in it and lactate. So I'm gonna use some of this too. And then I have my pre-made iced coffee that I made myself using instant coffee. And then I'm just gonna pour this in here. So it was way too loud. So I mean, everything I explained is pretty much what you can see. I'm gonna go in with that sweetener and add a little bit because it does take away, like the ice takes away from the sweet. A little bit of hazelnut. And I'm gonna just add in some more iced coffee because your girl was dragging that day, okay, y'all? Like, I was going through it. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on the blender. That's what we got. Who needs Starbucks? Who needs drive-thru? Like, we got ourselves, all right? Like, come on. I did add some more sweetener into it because I tasted it and it wasn't as sweet as I wanted it to be. So I did add some to the bottom, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix that around. And look at that. I was feeling myself this day. That thing was so good and had so much coffee in it. So right now I'm boiling my water, and like I said, you can use a kettle. I got this one from Best Buy. I'm gonna go in with some chai tea from D.I.Y and let that steep a little bit. And I went ahead and poured that bad boy over some ice. And I added some vanilla in there. It's my favorite. And now the clip did cut out, but I added some milk, and that's how I make my favorite chai iced tea latte. So in this, I have some instant coffee, milk, and sweetener. I think I use caramel. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some vanilla into the cup. I did blend that already, just so, you know, we're on the same page. And I'm gonna go ahead and whisk around some milk and instant coffee with a little bit of sweetener. Now, y'all, this was completely an experiment, okay? My arms, when I tell you, tired. And this is just milk by itself. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more to that. As you can see, I am making a mess. And look at that fluffiness. Ugh. But I do want this iced. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that over some ice. And I did go ahead and add a little bit more milk because I wanted to top it off. And this thing was bomb, y'all. So that is all I have for you today. Please let me know your favorite Starbucks drinks down below in the comments. And send me some recipes because your girl is running out of stuff.
I approve this message.
I've been searching high and low for someone who can do